All right, it's about Dr. Lewis. So, you all know recently that AstraZeneca pulled their vaccine due to blood clotting, all right? So, of course, governments all around the world now have to do public statements because they were the one who forced you all to take that poison into your bloodstream, all right? A lot of persons did suffer adverse reaction from vaccine. Listen, 90% of my day is persons who took the vaccine and suffering adverse reaction. I could list what each and every one of the vaccine caused off the bat, right? But we are not here to discuss that. We are here to discuss what these persons are saying. Take a look at this video, a small clip.
The vaccine was known to come with side effects in a very small percentage of times, and that those side effects will be most noted within 3 months of taking the vaccine. And I'm looking here on the report, which CMO may not have mentioned, that there are no reports to date of any cases in Jamaica of persons, Jamaicans, suffering that side effect, that rare side effect involving the AstraZeneca. So we have clinically on record no report of. And those who would have taken would be highly unlikely, if not impossible, to have that side effect now, years after taking the vaccine, and we no longer are distributing the vaccine. So when AstraZeneca sent out the notification, it was a notification to discontinue production. And there seemed to have been some interpretation or extreme interpretation that it was a notification based on a recognition, maybe, that the vaccine somehow was going to, create an adverse reaction to people who have taken it, how many millions of persons who have taken it.
Right. So what he's saying is that there's no report stating that persons suffer adverse reaction after taking the AstraZeneca. So they are in the all clear. But here, what is the truth? Medical doctors are not reporting the adverse reaction after taking the vaccine, right? Persons will go to them saying that I am sick after taking this vaccine, and they will literally tell their patients that no, it can't be the vaccine. No, it's not the vaccine. So if medical doctors telling persons that the vaccine is not the cause for what you are going through, how they can report that, how that could go on record. So if you are suffering from the effects of that jab and you want to report it, feel free to report it to me, your boy Dr. Lewis, the doctor who care about the citizens of this world and care about his patient. Report it to me because apparently they are not getting any report because nobody's reporting it to them. So report it to me so I can report it to them. All right? So it's your boy Dr. Lewis. I'm out. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed.
This is laughable. You know why this is laughable? Because I remember the persecution, the degrading, the stereotype, the marginalizing of persons who intelligently ask a question. Is this safe for me? Or can you prove this to be safe for me? And they didn't get what you call it now, a substantial answer that it was safe for them. And they refused to take it because the Prime Minister, the Health Minister, the corporate public could not provide them the assurance that these things were safe for them, and they refused to take it just on that basis. We're not sure it's safe. And whole heap of people in the media, I remember Miss Kitty went on a rant discriminating, bringing down, talking on who done some who spread COVID and the Prime Minister to make them dead. And not she alone. She was just one who stand out. I remember the Prime Minister go as far as to not wanting the people them come off of the ship, the Jamaican them come off of the ship in their own country due to him and say, we're not sure them vaccinated and we don't want this and that and that. But the long and short of the argument is this. I could go on and on about decisions that were made and statements that were made. I remember there was a trend. I am vaccinated. That was a trend. It was a trend for people to come and establish themselves as I am vaccinated, as if I have my green card. And the level of discrimination for really intelligent people who were merely saying, you cannot prove to me this is safe. This need more time for you to prove to me that this is safe. Look at us now. CVM tagline, just look at us now. Look at this.